What's up guys, Sam here. So today we got a DJI Mini 3 Pro. As you can see, it has an RC remote, and this DJI 3 has got an optical sensors as well. So let's unbox this. It's a nice packaging. Okay. So we just peel it apart here. Guys, just like an Apple unboxing, huh? So here guys, there's a QR code here for DJI Fly app. Right. Here it is. This is the drone. The Mini 3. So here guys, it's the Mini 3. It seems a little bigger, the propellers are a little bigger than the Mini 2. That's fine, that's good enough. As you can see here, it has got all the optical sensors for optical avoidance. These are the down-firing optical sensors, these are the front-facing optical sensors, and this is the rear-facing optical sensors. All here. That's the gimbal cover. And this is the RC remote. This is what we were waiting for such a long time. And it's finally here. So guys, you can see it has a screen, built-in screen, so no need to plug in any of the mobile phones. You can see here the joysticks we have to connect. It's on the back of the remote. You can see here. These are the two control buttons which we can configure it later. This is for the record, this is for the camera, and we have got the same modes, that's Cine, normal and sports. So guys, here we have the USB Type-C, and we have a host and a micro SD card here, the card slot. Right. You can see here guys. Let's see what's in the box. So we have a Type-C to Type-C cable. And we've got two sets of propellers and one screwdriver. That's what is inside the box. And a manual as well. That's it. So guys, as you can see, we've unboxed the DJI Mini 3 Pro. So guys, in my next video, I'm just going to charge this and then we'll create another video. And then we'll display how it works, and we'll definitely have some fun. Okay, see you guys see you in the next one.